This is for Dodge Caliper, no crank, no start. The battery was good. I had the battery tested and charged. It still was good. When I turn the key, I would have all the lights, and I wouldn't hear nothing. I wouldn't hear no for a dead battery. I wouldn't hear the fuel pump come on, which make a noise to buzz, boo, and I wouldn't get no crank, no click, no nothing. I change all of the fuses up under here. The box that's the relay box that's up under there. I changed those fuses and I played around with it and I tried to figure out what it was, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is with this car. I just found it by playing around. I got it to start now, right? There's a wire that goes from the battery to the starter, and then there's a starter wire. When I was testing it, it was showing me red, like it ain't got no power or something, and then it was showing me green on the black negative one. And this wire right here, it goes from here up until here. It's a bolt up in there. To take it out, it's like a fuse wire or something. Watch this. If I play around with it, it'll cut off. See? Look, cut the car right off. So I done changed all these fuses. That one right there. I switched this one over, and I was trying to figure it out. And I changed those fuses. They say you gotta take everything off. You could just take the fender lining out and get to them over there if your hand's just small enough. And that's what it is. See, I'm not sure if it'll start. It might start, but it won't. Oh, it'll start now. So there's a short in that wire going to the positive terminal to the battery, and then going to the starter, and then going into that fuse box panel.